वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्रागुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः It's not द्वितीयः पादः
Yeah, द्वितीय, right? By mistake I
Yes.
clicked. Yeah. Okay. द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
from 26, I think. Yeah. फले गृहीरात्मम्बरिश्च
फले ग्रहिरात्ममम्भरिश्च
रात्मम्बरिश्च फले गृहीरात्मम्बरिश्च two times.
फले ग्रहि फले ग्रहिरात्मम्भरिश्च फले ग्रहिरात्मम्भरिश्च
छन्दसि वनसन रक्षिमथाम्
छन्दसि वनसनरक्षिमथाम् छन्दसि वनसनरक्षिमथाम्
ये जेगे खश
एजेः खश एजेः खश
नासिकास्तनयोर्ध्वाद्धेटोः
नासिकास्तनयोर्ध
ध्मा
नासिकास्तनयोर्धिमा
ध्माधेटोः
धिमधेतोः नासिकास्तनयोर्धिमाघेतोः
नाडीमुष्ट्योश्च
नाडीमुष्ट्योश्च नाडीमुष्ट्योश्च
उदिकूले रुजिवहोः
उदिकूले रुजिवहोः उदिकूले रुजिवहोः
वहाब्रेलिहः
वहाभ्रेलिहः वहाभ्रेलिहः
परिमाणे पचः
परिमाणे वचः परिमाणे वचः
पचः not वचः
परिमाणे पचः परिमाणे पचः
मितनखे च
मितनखे च मितनखे च
भिद्वरुषोस्तुदः
विद्वरुषोस्तुतः विद्वरुष विद्वरु विद्वरुष
विद्वरुषोस्
विद्वरुषोस्तुतः विद्वरु विद्वरु आ,
विद्वरुषोस्
विद्वरुषोस्तु
विद्वरुषोस्तुदः
विद्वरुषोस्तुतः
असूर्यललाटयोर्दृशितपोः
असूर्यललाटयोर्दृशितपोः असूर्यललाटयोर्दृशितपोः
उग्रं पश्येरं मदपानिन्धमाश्च
उग्रं पश्येरं मदपाणिन्दमाश्च उग्रं पश्येरं मदपाणिन्दमाश्च
प्रियवशे वदः खच
प्रियवशे वदः खच प्रियवशे वदः खच
द्विषत्परयोस्तापेः
द्विषत्परयोस्तापेः द्विषत्परयोस्तापेः
वाचियमो व्रते
वाचीयमो व्रते वाचीयमो व्रते
पूः सर्वयोर्दारिसहोः
भूः सर्वयोर्दरि सहोः भूः सर्वयोर्दरि सहोः
दारि not दरि
भूर्सर्वयोर्दारि सहोः भूर्सर्वयोर्दारि सहोः
सर्वकुलाभ्रकरीशेषु कषः
सार्वकुलाभ्राकरीषेषु कषः सार्वकुलाभ्राकरीषेषु कषः
मेघर्तिभयेषु कृञः
मेर्गीतभयेषु
मेघर्ति मेघर्ति not मेर
मेर्घातिभयेषु
मेघर्ति
मेघार्थिभयेषु कृञः मेघार्थिभयेषु कृञः
क्षेमप्रियमद्रेञ्च
क्षेमप्रियमध्रं च क्षेमप्रियमध्रं च
आशिते भुवः कर्णभावयोः
आशिते भुवः करभावयोः आशिते भुवः करभावयोः
संज्ञायां भृतृवृजीधारिसगीतपीदमः
संज्ञायां भृद्रव्रेजिधारिसहितपिदमः संज्ञायां भृतृव्रेजिधारिसहितपिदमः
गमश्च
गमश्च गमश्च
अन्ताद्यन्ताद्वदूरपारसर्वानन्तेषु डः
अन्तात्यन्ताध्वदूरपारसर्वानन्तेषु डः अन्तात्यन्ताध्वदूरपार सर्वानन्तेषु डः
आशिषीहणः
आशिषीहनः आशिषीहनः
अपे क्लेशतमसोः
अपि क्लेशतमसोः अपि क्लेशतमसोः
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालो मत्वच वर्म वर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातोलिश्लोकसेनालोमत्वा च वार्मवर्णचूर्णचूरादिभ्यो णिच
अचोन्निति
अचोङिति
अतवपधायाः
अतौपधायाः
निचश्च
नीचश्च
हेतुमति च
ऋतुमति च
नित्य निजन्ताः चुरादयः तत्र नित्य निजन्ताः चुरादयः तत्र शेषाः धातवः द्रष्टव्यः सर्वे धातवः दृष्टवन्तः अतुपदा इतुपदा अजन्त इदानीं शेषाः धातवः सन्ति तत्र बहवः धातवः सन्ति अतुपदा इतुपदा वितुपदा आक्रन्द आक्रन्दयति इदानीम् अद्य धातुः अस्ति गुर्द गुर्द इति धातुः गुर्द भवति पूर्व विषये धने किं रूपम्
गुर्दय गुर्दय
अत्र पश्यतु वचस्पति गुर्द प्लस निच नित्य निजन्ताः चुरादयः किम् अस्ति रेप अनन्तरं दकार किं भवति उपधाभूत रेपस्य अलिपरे रेपात् पूर्वस्य इत्युक्ते उपधायाः रस्वैकः किं भवति 8 to 78 किं सूत्रं पश्यतु पदायां च
yes
तेन किं भवति अस्माभिः एतद् उदाहरणं कूर् इति धातोः उदाहरणं दृष्टं yes in this sutra 8 to 76 रोर्पदायाः दीर्घाहिकः then अलिच पदायां च dhatu which are having repa as the upada letter its upada ik letter will become dirgha when followed by hal
yes
right
yes
padayam cha so therefore what will happen how can be gurdaya you have to be careful it will become here itself becomes gurd water may be following niche or whatever it is gurd tirupam then
but the upada letter is repa is not u is it
upada to repa
u short
ik
u
letter that becomes dirgha upadayam cha we have the sutra we have seen the sutra in our list in the very very beginning Ritonam dhatoho all those things we saw there we saw this sutra
okay.
okay in case you have forgotten please see the Tinganta 1 part 2 not part 2 oh? Okay, 1 minute. And please see document. Sanskrit Vyakara Prabodhini Part 2. This is the one. Exactly. Upadayam cha. Dhatoho upadabhuto yau repavakaro alparo. Dhatu having upada letter repar vakara followed by a consonant. Tayoga upadayaha ikaha. Its upada letter will become dirgha. Dhatu having repar vakara as its upada. When followed by a hal, the ikupada to repa or vakara gets dirgha. We have seen this. Kurda dhatu. That's what I said. Dhatu having upada letter repa. Repasya upada ku. Repa followed by dakara, a consonant. Therefore, upadayam cha will apply. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
Therefore, it is gurdayati. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Therefore, it is gurdayati tilipam. We have seen this sutra. Upadayam cha. Gurdaya. Therefore, gurdayati or gurdayate. Okay. Next one. Chard. Chard. Bamane. Vomit. Okay. Here,
Chardaya.
Chardaya. Upadaya is not equal letter.
Yes.
Therefore, Dirghatamandal not possible. Chardaya, Chardayati. Then Shabda. Shabda is Shabda. So when it has got Upasarga. Upasargat Avishkare Vashanecha. Okay. Then
Shabdaya. Shabdayati. Shabdayati.
if you have a Upasarga Prati Shabdaya, then accordingly this also will become okay. Then Shvarta. Shvarta. Gatyam. Kim Rupam.
Vartaya.
Shvartaya. Shvartayati. Shvartayate. Shuda. Rakshane.
Datadehe Shahasaha.
Yes. Therefore, Sud.
Sud.
Then,
Sudaya.
yes.
Sudayati. Sudayate.
Then, Varda. Varda Dhatu. Chedana Purnayoho.
Vardaya. वर्धयति वर्धयते.
There are many more dhatus. Maybe next class. All these are nitya churadaya. Nitya nijantaha akusmiyaha. Akusmiyaha atmanepadinaha that we have seen. I think akusmiyaha. Oh, okay. Not complete. Some more dhatus are there. Hindu. They are all atmanepadi. Like example, gandha. Dhatu gandha. Ardhare. Kim rupam.
गन्धय गन्धयति गन्धयते.
Gandhayate. Not the. Atmanepadi.
Oh,
Akusmiyaha.
yes, okay.
Mana. Man. Stambhane. Hmm?
मानय मानय
Yes.
मानयते.
Kusma dhatu. Hmm. Form would be
कुस्मय कुस्मय कुस्मयते.
gur dhatu. Gura. Udyamane.
गूरय
Hmm.
गूरयति गूरयते.
Gurayate. Yaksha. Ojaya.
यक्षय यक्षयते.
Okay. Laksha. Laksha. Alochane. Then,
लक्षाय लक्षयते.
yes. This will be completing today. And last two. Kutsa. Avakshepane.
साय सयते.
Last. Birds. Birds. Tarjane. Form would be
भर्त्सय भर्त्सयते.
okay. Then Vanijantaha Akusmiyaha. Already done. So this is done. Vanijantaha Asvidiyaha. Here there were many Bhashartha dhatus. We'll see some up to Vichi. Up to Vichi we saw. Where is Vichi? Lochru. Mrudu. Tarka. Lokru. Adivicha. Okay. I just copy this. Please see. Dhatu is Aji Dhatu. Ajin. Form would be
Aj.
Huh? Ajja. Kim
Aj.
rupam? No, sir. Idito nam dhatoho.
Okay. Aj.
धातु is इति धातु अपदान्तनकारस्य अनुस्वारा जरि परे अनुस्वारस्य यही परसवर्णः अंज धातु भाषार्थः right.
Yes.
Then it will be anj plus ya
Jaya.
anjaya. Anjaya is one rupam, other one is
Anja.
anja. Therefore we have two forms, that is anjayati or anjayate. That is my cursor. Yes, anjayati or anjayate, and here it is anjati. Next one, same way. Dhatu tuji becomes
Tunj. Tunj.
tunj, nakara only, parasavarna. Sorry, parasavarna with tunj. Nakara becomes tunj. Then we have
Jaya. Tunja.
tunja.
Jayati. Tunjayate. Tunjati.
Tunjati. Similarly, 1, 2, 3.
All of them are Basharte.
All are Bhashartha. In the, you can see Dhatu Pata. All are Bhashartha. System is slow. Will open. All are Bhashartha only. So we are doing Aswadiyaha. Please see. Here you have Bhashartha.
Hmm.
All
Yes.
Dhatu. So many Dhatus are
Last.
listed here. Pata Putta Lutta Tuji Biji Ruji Baji Lagi. All are Bhashartha. And also, next line. Rutalaji, Aji, Dasi, Brishi, Rushi, Cha, Chakarat, that also Bhashartha. Right?
Yes.
All are Bhashartha. The point here is they're all Idit Dhatus. Because it is Idit. But anyway, these are Idit, but it's okay. But this is they are the Aswadiyaha. Therefore, Varnajantaha. If it is Sakarma, Karmaka, that part we know. If it's Sakarmaka, Nich will take. Otherwise, Sakarmaka, Nich will not take. By going by that. Okay, fine. Then Tuji is the last one. Last one was Diksha, Aji, Tuji. Yes. Now, Piji. Piji will become Piji,
Hmm.
Baji, and Laji. Three. Three is enough. Piji will become Pinj.
Pinji.
Therefore, the form will be
Jaya. Or
just
Pinja.
P. Pinjaya, Pinjayati, Pinjayate.
Pinjati.
Similarly, Pinjati.
Pinjati.
And Baji will become
Banj.
Banj. Baji will become Lunch. So, Banjaya, Banja, Lanjaya, Lanja. So, therefore, Banjaya, Banjayati, or Banjati. Similarly, lanjayati atva lanjati. Okay. Then we have adrishiyaha. Adrishiyaha is adrishiyaha tebhyaha vikalpena va nijantaha it is. So this also we saw many dhatus are there. Up to what dhatu we saw? Ang purvaka shad. I will do some two or three. Tanu dhatu is tanu. Tan iti rupam. So many meanings are given. I'll just take only Shaddopakarana Yoho. What's the form? Tan plus Nich?
Tane, Tanaya.
No, sir. Upada, Tapadayaha, Vriddhihi, Tan, Tani, Tane, Tanaya. This one form. Other one is Tana.
Tanati.
After Upadayaha, right? Upada is Akara. So therefore,
Yes.
Tanayati, Tanayate, Atava.
Tanati.
When Shap comes, it is only Tanati. Right? Similarly, Tapa, Tap dhatu, dahe, which is there in first conjugation also. Tapati tapataha. 10th conjugation also. Form is
Paya.
tapaya atava
Tapa.
tapa. Tapayati, tapayate, atava
Tapati.
tapa,
Tapati.
tapati. Here we have many dhatus. I'll do only one. Now, other things we'll see next class. And shaha. Shaha is sahane. What is the form?
Sah.
Sah dhatu. Dhatva dekhe. Saha.
Shahasa.
Shaha saha. Sah. Sah becomes
Sahaya.
yes. Sahaya atava saha. Sahayati. Sahayate
Sahayate.
atava
Sahati.
sahati. Okay. Let it be like this. So many are there. We will do now. Let us do Stanivat Bhavaha Anal Vidau. So here, Adanta Dhatu, the Sutra Atalopaha also to be included. I will add this simple Sutram. Adadhatu Kaprate Pare Angasya Adantasya Angasya Akarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Okay. So Adanta Dhatus are that when followed by Nich, that Akara will go away. When Akara go away, Upada, will it not become Vriddhi? It will not become Vriddhi. Why? For that only we need to understand the Stanivat Adeshaha. About Stanivat Adeshaha we discussed. But that is not the rule applied here. That is the rule we have to know to apply another rule. So, Stanivat Adeshaha to be understood, which we saw with some examples. I gave the dhatu of Bu dhatu, Asdhatu replaced by Bu Adesha, and therefore the Bu enjoys
Dhatu Sanya.
dhatu sanya and all the properties. Therefore, as the karya which the Stani would have undergone, that Adesha Bu also will undergo. But that is a condition. Condition is that karya should not be al-ashraya karyam, varnashraya karyam. Therefore, we can say now the Adesha which replaces Stani, possibility, can enjoy two Gunadharma of Stani. One is Al-Ashri Gunadharma, Anal-Ashri Gunadharma. If Al-Ashri Gunadharma, then Stanivat Bhavaha na bhavati. Adesha will not be Stanivat. Anal-Ashri Gunadharmaha. If the Adesha is that which replaces Stani, enjoys Al-Ashrita Gunadharma of the Stani, then the Adesha will not be Stanivat. These 2 points we have to understand. If the Adesha doesn't enjoy Allah Shudharma, then it will be Sthanivatu. You understand the point?
Yes.
And for that, I gave example. The example of Divdhatu. Divdhatu, Vakarantaha, Strilingaha. In the Sutra, Sthanivat Adeshaha Nalvido, if you see that Sutra Pata, which is in the first chapter, first section, I'm just giving an introduction and I'll explain this further more elaborately with all examples and all. In fact, I'm doing it, trying very cautiously not to confuse you. The examples are simple examples you can follow. So the sutra is Tanivat Adeshaha, Annal Vido 156. So this part must be very clear. Adeshaha Stanivat Bhavati. Then Anal Vido, that is a condition. When there is no Alvidhi, that Anal Vidhi is a compound, Nanjitat Purusha. Na Alvidhi, Analvidhi. Alvidhi itself is a compound that can be resolved in 4 types. That's okay. That some examples Shashti and Panchami explain. We will do further. Analvido means the Adesha, the Karya which happens, the Karya which happens in the place of the Sthani that depends on the Alvidhi, then Adesha will not be Sthani. But example, please see. Like this example, you can remember. Devdhatu plus Su. This is Apratyekal Pratyaya. Therefore, this must become Lopaha when it follows a consonant. But there is a rule for the Devdhatu Vakara is replaced by U. Now, what is the Adesha? What is a Sthani?
Vakara, Adesha, U.
Vakara?
Sthani.
Vakara is Sthani. Replaced by Adesha?
U.
U. No. Sakara becomes Lopaha when it follows a consonant, right? Sakara becomes Lopaha when it follows a Sakara is a Pratyaya. Apratyekal Pratyaya. That becomes Lopaha when it follows a consonant. Sthani has got the Gunadharma. That is what is Gunadharma? Haltvam. The status of being a consonant. The Sthani. What about the Adesha? If Adesha also takes up the property of the Sthani. But here, if Adesha also takes a property of the Sthani, that Adesha U, right? If Adesha U also, that is a vowel also, enjoy the status of being a consonant, then this Sakara will go. That should not happen. That is why in the Sutra it is said, Anal Vidau. Here the Sakara Apratyekal Pratyaya going away is depending on the Al, a letter, a Varna. Al Ashraya Vidhi. This Karya, this Vidhi is Al Ashraya Vidhi. If there is Al Ashraya Vidhi, then Adesha will not be Sthanivatu. Therefore, Adesha who will not enjoy the status of being a consonant, therefore Sakara will not go. You understand the point?
Yes.
Therefore, only we have Dyauhu. This one example I gave, and I gave Dyukamaha, another example also I gave. Here also same thing. Here also what happens, this is a compound. Div plus some, then we have Div plus Kama. Here what will happen? The Diva, the Vakara is replaced by Ukara, Diva Ut, it's a rule. When followed by is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, this is Amis Dvitiya Bhakti Ekavachanam, Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, replaced by Ukara. Okay. Vakara is replaced by Ukara. So Vakara is Sthani, Ukara is the Adesha. Now Vakara is followed by a Val letter, Lopor Vyorvali by that sutra. This Vakara will go away. But since it is replaced by a Sthani Ukara, it is no more Vakara. But we can say Sthani with it means Ukara enjoy the status of being a consonant that Vakara. But what happens? The Sthani, that Vakara has got Al Ashray Dharma, meaning that Vakara will go away when followed by a Val, Lopo, Vyor, Vali. That Vidhi is Al Ashray Vidhi is there. Therefore, the Ukara which replaces Vakara will not enjoy the status. If any Vidhi depends on a letter of the Sthani, then the Adesha will not be Sthanivat. That's why Anal Vidhi. Understand?
Yes.
Another example also I gave, Yaj plus Ishtaha. This is a good example, in fact. So here Ishtaha, how the word Ishtaha comes, that I told you. Yaj from Yajadatu, Nishta Pratyaya, this is Samprasarana Dhatu, undergoes Samprasarana, Nishta Pratyaya, you add Ishtaha, you get. Now suppose if you say it is derived from a Dhatu Yaj only, the Rupam has changed. But the Dhatu is Yajadatu. Root is Yajadatu. Form has changed. Doesn't matter. Dhatu is Yajadatu. Therefore, if you say Stanivat, that Ikara is there, which has come in the place of Yakara, Stanivatvam. Suppose if you say Stanivatvam, if Yakara is there, then what will happen to the room? Yakara is there, then
Yes.
Ru has got Al Ashaya, the Ru preceded by A followed by Hal, Uttvadesha will happen. So that Rukara, Ru becoming U has got Al Ashray Vidhi. It has the Ru becoming Ukara as its Ashraya on the letter of the Sthani. That is, Sthani is Yakara. Because it is Al Ashray Vidhi, then Adesha, the E will not be Sthanivatu, will not enjoy the status of being a Yakara. Therefore, only what will happen? Ru is not replaced by Ukara, Utpasandhi will not happen. Yakara only will come, that Yakara also. After that, we know Lopa Shakalyasya, Lopa happens. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let us do now the Sthanivat Adeshaha Analavido. This is examples are enough to understand. More technically, the same thing can be reorganized and explained that I will do later. The next sutra you see. Now, okay, before the next sutra. Now, what it has relevance in Kata plus Nich? Kata plus Nich when we do, Nich Pratyaya, Adadhatuka Pratyaya follows the Adanta Dhatu ending with Akara. What will happen to the Akara? Akara must become Lopaha, Ato Lopaha by that
The last
sutra,
one.
right?
Yes, the last akara.
Goes away.
Yes.
Okay. Then Upada again is there, Akara. Will it not become Atopadayaha Vridhihi? Why can we apply or not? That's a question.
No, because this akara became upadaya after lopa of the last akara, and the rule depends of the letter.
See, that A has gone and therefore we have Ka, right?
Yes.
Now the Upada is with regard to Nich is Ka. Upada is with regard to Nich is Akara. By Atopadaya Vridhihi, it should become ka. Doesn't apply. Athopada is not applicable. So it means that the nich pratyaya. You just think like that. Just why has not become a? It doesn't become means the nich must not be seeing the upada akara. Yes or no? Katha plus
Yes.
nich. See, katha plus nich, that a goes away, therefore kat we have. Right? Now the upada akara is upada is akara. But akara doesn't become dirgha, final is kati. If final is kati, then we can just think. So kata plus nich, the nich pratyaya must not be seeing the upada akara. Something is preventing the nich pratyaya from seeing the upada letter as akara. What is that letter? That akara which has become lopaha, right? The
Yes.
akara previously which was there. Now it is replaced by lopa. Lopa means zero.
Yes.
Lopa means it is null. It's a void entity, like in software.
Yes.
Some blank space. You can like that. So some that entity is there.
It's
Can
like
put
a
it.
placeholder.
Yes, some is there. So therefore, niche will see this at the last letter, and upada will be takara.
Yes.
Then only upada not becoming dirgha is possible. Just try to understand what I'm saying. The niche not causing upada to akara, not causing vriddhi of the upada akara, niche not causing vriddhi of upada akara is possible only when the niche sees akara as his upada. It means there must be one letter, that is akara, which has become lopaha. It is akara which has become lopaha. Okay, lopaha means zero. That is seen as the last letter, and upada is the takara, penultimate letter is takara. Therefore, only kati is possible, right?
Yes.
This happens. This how are we going to explain now? For that only the next sutra comes. Now here you see. Okay, suppose if we do, last letter goes away by ato lopaha, right? Fine. Now, what is the penultimate letter? Akara is there. The akara becoming dirgha, is it alvidhi or not? Is it related to a letter or not?
Yes.
Varnashtaya karyam or not? Yes.
Yes.
Right?
It is.
Varnashtaya karyam. Right? If it is varna vidhi, if it is al ashraya vidhi, al ashrayam is there. What did we say before? If it is al ashraya, will it be stanivat? Before, what did we say? If it is al ashraya, then the adesha, will it be stanivat or not?
Not.
It will be not. It cannot be. And here also we have al ashraya vidhi, that is upada akara becoming dirgha by atopadaya. It is al ashraya. Therefore, here the akara which has become lopa, will it be stanivat or not?
Not.
Like the previous one, it will not be stanivat. It will not be
Yes.
stanivat means then the niche will see the upada akara. Then upada akara has to become ka only, right? You understand my point?
Yes. If it be, then vriddhi akara, but it's not.
No, no. First I taught you stanivat adeshaha anal vidhi. right? Anal vido. Apply
Yes.
that alone. Then I will tell you why the necessity of the another rule comes.
Mm.
Okay. What I'm
Okay.
saying is katha plus nich, applying atopadayaha, the takara goes away, and nich, now upada is akara, akara becoming vriddhi by the sutra atopadayaha, becoming vriddhi, a become a. Is it alvidhi, al ashavidhi or not?
Yes.
Al ashavidhi. When it is al ashavidhi, the stani, that is akara, which is replaced by the adesha will be stanivat or not. My question is that.
No. Not.
Not.
Will not.
If it is not stanivat, then nich will see upada akara. Yes or no?
No. No.
If it sees, sir, why not? That's what I'm saying. It will not be stanivat. Akara not is
Ah.
not stanivat. That is, the lopa is not stanivat. The lopa which has come in the place of akara, not stanivat. Then akara, upada akara, the nich must see. If it sees,
Yes. Yes.
then we will get kati, iti anishta rupam we will get. That is why the next sutra says that anal vidhi, what we say, that is not applicable here. Understand the point? Anal vidhi, what we say, that alashe vidhi, that it is not applicable here. Tanivat adesha happens even in the case of alvidhi. That is what the sutra is up here. That is katha plus nich. When we do, a goes away, fine. A goes away. A goes away means the takara is there. We want upada not to become dirgha. That is al ashaya vidhi. That now stani was akara, and the akara is replaced by lopa. If we go by Allah Ashavidhi, this will not be Stanivat, therefore Nich will see Upada Akara, it will make it Dirga. Therefore, what we say, even if it is Allah Ashavidhi, this will be Stanivat. That Akara, which is replaced by Lopa, when it comes to the Alvidhi, that is Upada Akara becoming Dirga by the Sutra Atopadayaha, that lopa adesha what has come, that will be stanivat. It means even though Allah Shevidhi is there, it will be stanivat, preventing the angakarya happening. That is the upada letter akara becoming dirgha. That is what the next sutra says. By that, therefore, kati will it will not be kati, it will be kati. How does it happen? Please see. Therefore, now sutra is achaha parasmin purvavido. The sutra comes. This is 1157. This sutra extends the Stanivat Baba even to Alvidhi. That's a point here. Analvidhi doesn't come as anuvritti here. Achaha parasmin purvavido. This paribhasha, for which the Stanivat Adesha is coming as anuvritti for this sutra. Okay.
Mm.
Achapparasmin purvavedo stanivat adeshaha. Even if there is alvidhi, alashavidhi is there, stanivat bhavam will be there. Therefore, Nich cannot see the upada as akara, it will see takara only, therefore kati only will come. How it is? This is based on this rule. This rule I will write and then explain. What are the rule conditions involved in this rule, in this sutram? What are the conditions and how it is applied? That sutra, that is what we are going to see. First, we have to understand what it is, what is happening, then we will see. I'll write in English. We see the Stanivat Bhava Stanivat Baba is the previous sutra. Stanivat Baba is extended to the context of an Analvidhi. Analvidhi by what sutra? By the what sutra? By the previous sutra.
Yes.
What is the previous sutra? Stanivat Vadeshaha Analvidho, right? That sutra.
Yes.
Stani Vadad Stanivat Bhavaha Analvidho. That is the previous sutra 1156. Right? Stanivat Bhavaha is extended to the context of an Analvidhi by the previous sutra. Now this sutram, that is the current sutram, Achaf Paraspin Puro Vedo, that this sutram, what does it do is, it is begin to extend the Stanivat Bhavam okay, Stanivat Bhava is, instead of extend, I would put it, is suggested, is ordained. That is better. In the ordained in the context of an Analvidhi by the previous sutram. This sutram is begin to extend the Stanivat Bhava in the context of Alvidhi. It means Adeshaha Stanivat Bhavati Alvidau. That's the meaning. Adeshaha Stanivat. I'll write in English and the sutra separately at the one document and send you. Now, meaning of the sutra. Achaha. Achaha means Ajadeshaha. Adesha which comes in the place of a vowel. Achaha means Achaha Parasmin Purvavido. Adesha which comes in the place of Ach. Please note. Adesha which comes Achaha in the sutra. Achaha Parasmin Purvavido. Achaha is Shashti Bhakti. Achaha Parasmin Purvavido. The Adesha and which comes in the place of Ach, that is called Ajadesha. And Ajadesha, due to Parasmin, due to a Paranimitta. Nimitta is the following one. Due to a Paranimitta, please see, this is because of the following, that is important. The Adesha which comes in the place of Ach will be Stanivat. Now, here the Nimitta is following. And Adesha, here it is. What is the Adesha in the context of Kata plus Nich? What is the Adesha?
Is
Hmm?
long out, very deep.
Lopaha is the Adesha. Lopaha is the Adesha, comes in the place of
The
what?
last
Vowel. You have to tell that,
yes.
vowel. So that is
Wow.
Ajadesha. So Ajadesha means Adesha which comes in the place of a vowel. So in this example, the Lopa is the Adesha which comes in the place of vowel, right?
Yes.
Due to what? Due to the following. Following is the Pratyaya, Nich Pratyaya, right?
Yes.
The Lopa, which is the Adesha, comes in the place of Ach. That is very important. Only in the place of Ach, not in the place of a consonant. I'll give a counter example later. So an Adesha, which comes in the place of Ach, that is Lopa, which has come in the place of Ach, will be Stanivat due to a Paranimitta. If Sutra is not over, if the Karyam, that is some operation performed, has to be done. If some operation has to be done by the same nimitta, which caused this ajadesha. Same nimitta which caused the other ajadesha, that is nich, right? By the same nimitta which caused the other ajadesha, which caused the other ajadesha, has to do the karyam, has to do the karyam in a place before the ajadesha. Please try to understand this. This part I explained. Ajadesha due to a paranimitta will be sthanivat. The condition is when the karyam has to be done by the same nimitta which caused the adesha, which caused the ajadesha, when the karyam has to be done by the same nimitta, has to do the karyam, has to do the karyam in the place before the ajadesha. That is katha plus nich. When we say that in the place of akara, the lopa has come as adesha, therefore this is ajadesha, right? This ajadesha is due to a paranimitta. Then due to a paranimitta, if some karyam has to be done, is due to a paranimitta, same paranimitta which caused this ajadesha, if due to this nimitta, if some karyam has to be done before this, before ajadesha, before means here, penalty made before, okay, before, then this ajadesha will be sthanivat. Here, before means what? That akara is the before, where karyam happens due to the following, the nimitta nich. If prior karyam, before prior karyam has to happen, then this ajadesha will be sthanivat. That will prevent nich from doing karyam, any karyam before the ajadesha. What karyam? That is the ka becoming ka. That dirgatva, vriddhi happening is prevented. It means his ajadesha will be sthanivat. Understand the point?
Yes. So there are two conditions then.
And, okay, good point. What are the conditions involved? Okay, this conditions I will write. That is number one. Three conditions are involved. Three conditions to be fulfilled for this to happen. Number one, it should be ajadesha, not aladesha. Not adesha comes in the place of a consonant. This is number one. Number two is that ajadesha must be due to a paranimitta, due to a following nimitta, not preceding and all, due to a paranimitta.
Mhm.
Number three. Third condition is that sthanivat happen, baba will happen, sthanivatvam will be there, will happen only, please see, when the karyam has to happen before the ajadesha, prior to the ajadesha. Before. These three conditions must be fulfilled. Now, if you take this kata plus nich, all the conditions are fulfilled. When we say kata plus nich, a is replaced by, that is, the place of ach only adesha has come, lopa is the adesha. and it is due to paranimitta. By the same paranimitta, the karyam which is supposed to have happened before, that is here, then in that case, this ajadesha will be stanivat, which will see this ajadesha, that lopadesha, it will see, and therefore penultimate will be takara, not akara. Therefore, vriddhi will not happen. Therefore, kati only will come. Understand?
So this lopa is acting like a Jadesha.
Yes, lopa is ajadesha.
Okay.
So therefore, kati only, not kati. I can give another example, counter example, maybe tomorrow, next time.
Okay.
Where it will not be, I will give you another example. These three conditions must be fulfilled. It must be that adesha must be an ajadesha, not aladesha, and adesha also, that ajadesha must due to paranimitta, and stanivattam will happen for the ajadesha only when karya happens before the ajadesha. These three conditions. That is what the sutram says, achaha parasmin purva vidau. Okay,
Yes.
think about this. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.